Because the shoes store the energy that he generates. You see,
Are we really gonna do the thing where you explain how you did it?
the hardest part was getting that sound to play every time Sonic ran. I've actually prepared a brief presentation that explains the whole brilliant scheme. Do you know how long it took me to create that presentation? Here, I prepared a brief presentation that explains it step by step. If you could only see yourself right now, I took your greatest strength and made it into a weakness.
Sonic, this is crazy!
No, it isn't. It's stupid.
Crazy.
Stupid.
Crazy!
Stupid.
Crazy.
Stupid.
No, it's brilliant!
Hey, wait, that's too much. Seriously, slow down! It's overloading!